Well, hello, and welcome back to another Dollar Tree Finds videos. So today we are going up into the Dollar Tree to see what's available and in stores right now. Let's get into it. Okay, you guys, I hadn't even made it in the store, and as I was coming up, I saw these, and at first I didn't see the kind of this part. So I was like, they out here with some damn Christmas Easter eggs. But now that I see them up close, I see what they are. I'm not going to touch them because you guys know these are covered in glitter. But they are Christmas light bulbs, which is kind of cool. They're like picks, and I see them out here, you know, with the rest of the Christmas florals. They still have some fall florals out here as well. But I thought that was interesting. Let me know if you guys would be picking those up. Oh my goodness, they're back. So cool. They're $7 though this year. The stackable snowman. I did not pick that up. I don't know if I've seen the stackable tree though. Is this new to us, you guys, or did you guys see this last year? So $7, and this is the 24-inch stackable tree. And then I'm pretty sure we saw the gift boxes last year. Let's look at those. Way cool, way cool. But it's nice to know that these are, whoa, back. And of course, you guys know I use these in other ways other than how they were intended. Let's see what else we can find. Looks like they're back with this Christmas set. Let's see these glasses. These are cute. I'm always a little bit disheartened when I see the wording on there, but the pattern itself is really cool. Let's see. Then they've got the regular style drinking glasses, and the coffee cup is really cute. And then I know I've seen a lot of people using these plates for some really cool tablescapes, and I do think that those plates are way cute. And this is a regular size dinner plate. And then they've got the, oh, I kind of like that extra green trim around there. Then they've got the kind of small dinner plate. And then, as you guys know, let me move this cup. Not sure why that cup was up there. It doesn't look like she's got a space. Maybe Erin will hold it first for a hot second. These, awesome. I've actually used these to make pillows. Do you guys remember my cool pillow DIY? These placemats are always a good deal to pick up. I also really like this, the pattern on this drying mat. And these drying mats are really cool. You can also use those to make pillows. And of course, they've got the beautiful oven mitts and pot holders. Just really cool. And then way down here, they've got those red chargers. Really, really beautiful color. Way cool. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, you guys, I am freaking loving these Christmas tote bags. And if I'm not mistaken, I think these are just $1.50. But look at this. And again, you guys, we can use these to make pillows as well. So please do not sleep on that. But these are really good size bags. That one's cute. Are those the two designs over here? Is that what I'm saying? It looks like those are the two designs for that. But check this out. Way cool. It's a very, very good size bag, and the colors are super, super vibrant. And again, I think these are like $1.50. And those are the three styles we see. Let's see what else we can find. Oh, wow. You guys, this is really cool. Look at this. They've got the 3 gift box set for gift giving. Like if you're giving jewelry, or I've seen people do stuff like gift cards in here. I think a phone might fit into this big one. But I love this because it's just that $1.50 price. If I see that tag up there for 3 boxes, that's a really cool deal. Also, I'm really loving the window clings again this year. I've seen people do some really, really beautiful DIYs. I really like this one. That one seems like something you could turn into something high-end. But yeah, loving the window clings. Great DIYs that people have been making. Oh, come on now. The bows. And the garland, which I kind of touched on last week, or the week before last. I'm not going to touch on that again, but this is cool. You guys see how it's kind of like the leaves and the berries? Oh, I actually really think this is cute. I don't know why, but I love it. And then they also, did we see those? They're little candy canes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Way cute. So yeah, that's what's going on out here. Let's see, what is this? Hold up. Sorry, you guys, I'm gonna have to lower you down low. What's happening here? What in the crystal? What in the crystal? Oh my Lord. Look at this, y'all. Oh, he's just as cute as he wants to be. These are gonna get, you guys, you need to grab these before they're gone. Do you see this beautiful kind of, I think he's plastic, but he is a beautiful reindeer. Oh, my poop. He's really, really, really cool. Let me know if you guys have grabbed these. I'm gonna have to snatch a couple of these up. Let's see what else we can find. Oh my goodness, you guys, check out these shot glasses. Ho, ho, ho for all of you guys out there who need that. Elf sized. Super, super cute. And then check this out. Probably my favorite so far. The Jingle Juice. Too cute. These would be great for stocking stuffers or just to have for like different parties and stuff. The other thing is, I freaking love these glasses, you guys. I picked up 2 of these a couple years ago. Erin and I did our New Year's Eve champagne toast with these. I love these glasses. They look so much higher quality. Now, when I picked them up, they were $1.25, but they are, from what I'm understanding right now, $1.50, but still a good price for these really super, super cute glasses. Let me know if you guys have picked those up. Check this out, you guys. Look at these chair cushion covers, or not chair cushion covers, but chair cushions. Now, I've seen them do these for like summer, but I don't know if this is my first time seeing the ones for Christmas. Now, keep in mind, these are tan. You guys see that? They're very, very thin. So these are not going to be for comfort on the chair, but they are definitely cute to add to the decor. Now, it's claiming that there's a couple of different kinds, but I ain't going all the way. I see something, but you know, you'd have to lift up the whole damn stack to get there, so we're not going to do that. But it looks like they've kind of got the poinsettia one, the kind of green berry one, snowman, and then a plain red one. Kind of cool though. All right, now you know that it's my job to show you guys when I see a deal that is just that good. This 6 ornament set with these MDF circle ornaments for the $1.50 is actually a really good deal for us crafters, because all you've got to do, they've got them kind of attached here, but all you've got to do is just paint the back or even paint the front, because they're very smooth, and then you can change these ornaments into whatever you want. And for $1.50 for 6, that's just a dang good deal. Just saying. Let's see if we see anything else. Oh, now come on. Oh, these are heavy too. Check out these hand soap pumps, you guys, at the $1.50. You have that tree. You've got Mr. Snow. Is that soap in there too? Wait. We saw those ones, but they were empty. These actually have the hand soap in them, which makes them an even cooler deal. Hello, Santa. So these have the actual soap already in it, you guys. Check this out. This little gingerbread guy. Oh, I love it. And then what is happening here? What in the fancy tree? Oh, you could put like a little puck light or something up underneath him, like sit him on top of there. Way cute. Way cute. So many cool things and cute things that Dollar Tree's coming out with this year. Let's see if we can find... Oh, hold up. I love this. This cute little sign. That is dang cute. With the metal faith that you could pop off. Love it. That's just cute as is. I'm loving this hope sign too. So this part again is metal, you guys. So it comes off. Love that. Love that. These cute little teeny tiny ones with the teeny tiny frames. Nice. Of course, we know the gnomes. You got to show Melissa the gnomes, because Melissa loves a good gnome. So that's happening. Also, this is cute. Have I seen this sign before? It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, you guys. But the cool part is that this reindeer piece comes off, and you guys know I'm a huge advocate for that. What else is going on, you guys? I was going to turn you off for a second, but no. Whoa, hello. Look at this cute little nutcracker candle. You better stop it. So how much is this? Nobody knows. $1.50? Really, really cute. I love that. I don't think I've seen that before. Let me know if you guys have. And then check this out. It's an LED tapered candle. But you guys see this? It's kind of got its own little base. I guess he takes a couple of batteries. And it kind of looks like dripped wax on something kind of plastic. And then they've got those kind of lanterns they're way up there, you guys. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but they've got red, the green, red kind of reindeer, green kind of Christmas tree, white kind of snowflakes up there. Loving that. They are really doing something. They are really doing something this year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Did you spy something that got your creative juices going? Make sure to put that in the comments. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, have a good rest of your day.